Explore how the material is removed from the component in CAD.
Extrude cut.
Extrude cut is used to remove the material from the solid body by extruding the 2D sketch. Condition for extrude cut is closed sketch.
Swivel.
Swivels are commonly used for lifting and transporting heavy loads. Usually designed to prevent the load from twisting or spinning during lifting. To activate extrude cut, select Extruded Cut in Features Manager. Enter the extrusion value.
Revolve cut.
Revolve cut is used to remove the material from the solid body by revolving the sketch about the specified axis. Condition for revolve cut or axis of revolution and closed sketch.
Roller.
Used for the transportation of components that are difficult to lift. To activate Revolve Cut, select Revolve Cut in Features Manager. Select Axis of Revolution.
Sweep cut.
Sweep cut is used to remove the material from the solid body by providing path to the 2D sketch. Condition for sweep cut are profile and path.
Worm gear.
Used to transmit motion between two shafts that are not parallel or intersecting. Provide smooth and quiet operation. To activate sweep cut, select Sweep Cut in Features Manager. Select Profile and then Path.
Loft cut.
Loft cut is used to remove material from the solid body by joining different profiles with or without path. Condition for loft cut are 2 or more profile, same number of segments, guiding curve.
Engine head.
Outermost part of the IC engine that contains the valves, springs and lifters. To activate loft cut, select Lofted Cut in Features Manager. First select Profiles. Then select Guiding Curve or Center Line.